Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your health details in the health app on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on health. In health, tap on health details, and in here tap on edit at the bottom at the top. And then you can tap on the first name, last name. You can change the date of birth. You can change your sex, blood type, and skin type. And you can also choose whether not set for wheelchairs or no or yes. And then after that, once you're finished, you can tap on the done button. Okay, so that is one of the way how you can change your health details. Now another way to do it is to open up the health app from the app library. So in here we're going to type in health, open up the health app, and you can tap on your profile icon at the top and then tap on health details, and in here you can set the first name, last name. So tap on edit and then tap on set, and then tap on done, and then tap on the back key. So now you can see before it said Bob Smith, now it shows David Smith. And that's how you can change your health details in the health app on the iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.